YouTube? We about to go and install this rough country 4.5-inch lift on a 2017 Ford F250. We're gonna do them some 22s or 35s. I'm gonna get on this thing. I'll get these wheels off and get back with you. All right, YouTube, I'm back. Let's say now we're gonna go on and get this sway bar link out the way. This would be an 18 on that bolt there. Then we got a 15 for these sway bar links. I like to tell folks, because I'm watching videos and they just make it so much easier. Give y'all guys the right size. We're gonna do that first, and we're gonna go on and get the strut off. I already sprayed a little PB blast on it. Loosen it up, because it looks like it's gonna be a tough one. By the time I'm gonna go on and get it off and get right back with you. All right, I'm back, YouTube. We got the sway bar link out. We got the radius arm off. I'm about to install the radius bracket that comes with the rough country kit. It's a little drop bracket. Yeah, we got the spring out the way. I'm gonna remove that bump stop. Like you said, about to go and try to get this thing back together on this side. Might finish it tonight. I might go on and turn it in and come back and finish it all tomorrow. Let me get this thing in there, get some bolts in there, and I'll be right back with you. All right, I'm back. Let's say we got this sway bar out, or the stabilizer bar. Now you got to get out this pitman arm, which I got the nut off, but you can't get to the back nut until you take this bracket off, which is going to be a drop-down bracket that comes, for rough country. Got that out the way. There's 3 bolts up there you got to get to. Those 3 bolts, and this is the bracket that's coming off. They're going to send you this bracket here. Same 3 holes, but this is going to drop it down. Keep everything in alignment. So right now I got the, as you can see, I got the drop down bracket in the back. Got the bolts and sleeves in that already. Got the spring on that side. Got that in. Now I gotta drop this side and put the bracket in the back and the spring on this side. And then tomorrow I'm gonna have to go get rent the tools so we can get that pitman arm bolt out. So looks like I'm at about a good stopping point for the night. So I'm gonna go on and get that spring in and get to where tomorrow all I gotta do is switch out this pitman arm and put this bracket back, and then we'll be back together and get with y'all tomorrow. All right, YouTube, I'm back. I done got this crossbar and everything disconnected from the pitman arm. But now I gotta go to the store again because I found out that it's a 46mm nut. So before anybody take on a job like this, make sure you got a 46mm. I'm gonna run on to the store and I'll be back with you. All right, YouTube, got the pitman arm in, the new extended one. Got the sway bar extension brackets on. Had to go buy this 3/4 1 13/16 socket, man, to get that up off of there. But she finally off. Now it's time to bolt it back up. I'll get back with you. Well, YouTube, I'm at the back. I got messed up tonight because you got to take that bolt out that got the pin to slide, and of course for 2017 it's pretty rusty. Mine's broke, so I gotta go tomorrow and try to get another bolt. Once we install these rear cups, it'll be Back will be done. I got the front on, so I'm gonna give y'all guys a walk around once I'm all done and make sure I cover everything and what to look out for. So guess till tomorrow I'll be back. All right, YouTube, we finally got the 250 done, got it aligned at the shop. Like you said, everything in place. Got the new pitman on, the drop brackets for the sway bar, the bracket for the torsion crossbar. Back on it. Put the drop brackets. Put in some fuel 22s with 35s. Got the back together with the plates. The back was pretty easy. The front was where all the work was at. Put them shocks, leaf spring bracket. Overall, it was a pretty good little project, but knocked her on out. This is the Rough Country 4.5 lift on the 17 F250 fuel off-road wheels. Like, subscribe.